Hi! In front of me is TCL 206 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose advanced features over here. Oh sorry, too far, over here, and select app lock. Then pick one of those login methods for your apps, PIN, pattern or password. Tap on the best one and enter it. When you're ready, choose next at the bottom right corner and repeat it. Now you can answer this security question or click on it, select one of those and answer it below. But you can always just click on custom question and create your own. When you're ready, select confirm. Remember to answer it correctly below, tap on next and confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wish to unlock your apps using your fingerprint or face data, you can click on associate in all of those pop-ups. I don't want to, so I'll go with cancel twice and click on add apps. Now you can finally pick apps that you wish to lock. In my case, Chrome and Calendar. When you're ready, click on the check mark at the top right corner and click home button. Now when I try to access one of those apps, like Calendar, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!